Your commercial parking lot is more than pavement. It's a critical asset that's constantly under assault. The real threat isn't traffic volume, but its weight. One heavy truck can inflict the same damage as thousands of cars. A lot built for cars that gets regular truck traffic can see its 25-year lifespan slashed down to just 8. And the cost isn't just financial. Poorly designed lots are a safety hazard, contributing to over 5,000 crashes a year. Here we'll break down the design, from the hidden foundation to the surface, to build a parking lot that actually lasts. Forget the blacktop for a second. The single most vital factor for a lasting parking lot is what's underneath, the subgrade. Think of it as the bedrock of your investment. A properly prepared subgrade evenly distributes the immense weight of traffic. Saving money on subgrade preparation is a costly mistake. It guarantees you will spend far more on a full replacement in just a few years. So if the subgrade is the hero, what's the villain? It's the one thing that can undermine all that careful work: water. Poor drainage is a primary cause of premature pavement failure. Every drop of water that sits is actively working to destroy your lot. See standing water hours after rain? That's a red flag. That water is seeping down, weakening the subgrade and eroding structural support. Water enters tiny cracks, freezes, expands, and turns a minor issue into a major structural problem. This is how small cracks become potholes. So we've established the ground game. A solid subgrade and effective drainage are non-negotiable. Now let's talk about the surface. This brings us to the classic showdown in pavement design. What's the right choice for heavy traffic? Flexible asphalt or rigid concrete? Asphalt. Lower initial cost, faster installation. Its flexibility adapts to temperature changes, but is vulnerable to freeze-thaw damage. Concrete. Higher upfront cost, but a much longer lifespan of 30-40 years. It's more rigid and needs less frequent maintenance. The trade-off is clear. Asphalt's lower price demands seal coating every 2 to 5 years. Concrete's price buys decades of lower upkeep. So, which is better? The answer isn't simple. The best solution often involves using both materials strategically in the same project. Because a parking lot isn't uniform, it has high-stress zones. Think loading docks and dumpster pads that face punishing forces. Smart design uses concrete pads for these high-impact areas where rigidity is needed, and cost-effective asphalt for general parking. Now that we know how to design for stress, let's learn to read the warning signs of failure. What do these cracks actually mean? If you see interconnected cracks that look like alligator skin, you're seeing fatigue cracking. This isn't a surface problem, it's a deep failure. It means the pavement is flexing under loads too heavy for its design. This points to a weak subgrade or pavement that's simply too thin. Remember how we said the subgrade was the most vital factor? Alligator cracking is the visible proof of that principle in action. Another telltale sign is rutting, those channeled depressions in the wheel paths. This shows the structure is deforming deep within the base. Like alligator cracking, rutting tells a story of a system overwhelmed by weight. This is the direct result of that fourth power law from the start. We've seen how lots fail, but how do we proactively stop it? What's the single most effective maintenance strategy to prevent these failures? The answer isn't just repair, it's protection. A two-part strategy: seal coating and crack filling. This is where you move from defense to offense. For asphalt, regular seal coating is the best investment you can make. It creates a protective shield and can double the asphalt's lifespan. And our villain, water, promptly filling even the smallest cracks is your frontline defense. This stops water from reaching the subgrade. So you see, it's all connected. Proactive maintenance isn't just about looks. It's about protecting the entire system, from the subgrade up. Let's bring it all together. A parking lot for heavy traffic is a system built on 4 pillars. 1, a properly prepared subgrade. 2, smart drainage. 3, the right materials used strategically for different impact zones. And 4, a consistent, proactive maintenance plan. Ignoring any one of these creates a weak link that will lead to costly failure. Getting it right protects your asset and safeguards your customers. Don't let your parking lot be an afterthought. Design it for the reality of heavy traffic.